I'm going to show you how to create your own learning materials for whatever language you're learning. All right. I get a lot of questions about this. People see me do this, but they're not really sure how I'm doing it. So I'm going to show it step by step. And yes, learning with your own sentences translated is much, much more effective than learning random stuff you'll see in YouTube videos or apps or things like that, because you're learning exactly what you want to be able to say. So, first of all, you're more likely to remember it because you came up with it, so it's relevant. It's something that you would say in the language, either about a specific topic you normally talk about, or for a situation that you think you will have or that you regularly have. Yeah, learning your own sentences, first of all, they're relevant, so easier to remember, but also because you'll be using them regularly, or at least you will be using them, it's all useful, right? So it will have an impact. Each sentence will have an impact on your speaking, instead of learning a lot of very random stuff that uh, hopefully eventually will help you speak fluently, right? If you learn your own sentences, you'll make progress much faster. That doesn't mean that you should only learn your sentences. No, you should also learn other stuff. That's why I recommend learning vocabulary lists and all of that, and listening to authentic content. But when it comes to speaking, the highest impact thing you can do early on is learning your own lines, right? So you should every day write a bunch of new sentences and then learn them through a lot of reading, listening, shadowing, repeating them aloud, all that stuff, and then practice saying all of that on your own until you can say it. All right, that's the fastest way to actually get fluent in a language. It's not fun, but it's really efficient. All right, so if you want to save time and get results, you should do that. Now, how? Well, writing is pretty easy. You just sit down and come up with things to say, and write them. All right. Eventually, you'll run out of ideas, and you should probably stop and continue later or the following day. Just maybe you can talk to yourself and record it, and then see what you were talking about and write those things. Or you can start taking notes during your daily life about the things you're doing, the things you're talking about, who you're talking with, and you'll come up with more and more ideas. I recommend you learn at least 1,000 sentences, personalized, useful sentences, high frequency sentences like this, but at least 1,000. But if you learn 4, 5,000, 10,000, it'll be better. Of course, not all of them at the same time. What I do is learn 1,000 first, the most important ones, and then expand from there. Because obviously, getting a lot of reps with 1,000 is easier and takes less time than getting a lot of reps with 10,000. But if you do it with 1,000 first, then doing it with the 10,000 will be much easier, because you will already understand maybe 90% of what's been said there, because you know the vocab already, and you know the sentence structures. All right. So start with a core group of sentences that's smaller, and then from there move on to a larger group. But I recommend you keep adding more and more lines to the sentences you want to learn. Anyway, how to actually do it? As some comment earlier, someone asking me to explain how to translate. The easiest thing would be to just copy it, paste it on a translator, Google Translate, DeepL, any other like AI, and translate it and then paste the translation here. That's an option. Um, what I do is use this code, yeah, equal Google Translate, and then A1 being this, and then English, MK Macedonian. So you have to change the languages here. If you want to translate to Spanish, that would be ES. If you want to translate to French, it'd be FR, RU for Russian, etc. DE for German. There's a list of over 100 of these. These go through Google Translate, right? Because this is not Excel, by the way. People ask me how to do this in Excel. I don't use Excel. I use Google Spreadsheets. So what is this thing called? Google Spreadsheets? Whatever. Yeah, the one from Google Drive, because it works with uh, Google Translate automatically. So you paste this code, One of my students came up with this, by the way. I don't remember who it was, but it's been extremely useful. So Google Translate here, and then you do it with the first one, and then you left click here and hold, and you drag it. You see, because otherwise you'd have to paste. Like if you copy and paste, it's say A1 here still, so it'll translate this one again. You don't want that, so you drag it with your left clicking, and then it drags. So it's A2, A3, A4. You get the idea. Sometimes it takes some time, but once it's done, maybe a few minutes sometimes, but yeah, in a few minutes it'll be ready. And it's as simple as that, right? Just this code, and with your target language here, whatever your language is, you can search, quick search, and Google translation code for whatever Serbian, which would be SR, I think. Um, and then once you've got this, you can do a bunch of different things. Well, first of all, one thing you should definitely do is copy the text, paste it in a text to speech software like a TTS Maker, and create audio files. You can use any other text to speech software as well, but definitely create audio files for this, for you to listen to over and over again. It's really important. It doesn't sound exactly like a real person, but it's good enough to learn a lot of sentences quickly. 1,000 sentences of audio will be less than an hour. 1,000 sentences of yeah, it'll be less than an hour of audio. So you can review this thing a lot of times in a few days, like many times, and a lot of repetition is the best way to learn these sentences. At first, you should, especially if you're a beginner, you should read while listening and have this next to it so you can check the meaning. And then just keep listening to it over and over, even if you don't understand in the beginning. Just get extra reps by listening, because the more you do the reading while listening part, when you're listening to it later, it'll get easier and easier to understand, and eventually you'll understand everything. And then you should continue listening to it a lot, because that means that if you understand it easily and you keep listening to it and you keep reading it over and over, eventually you learn to say them without any hesitation, right? You need like 10 to 20 reps of reading or listening, or both at the same time, to understand it easily. And then 20 to 30 or 20 to 40 to actually remember them. Like without looking, you remember the sentence and you're able to use it. And that's where you want to be, not just understanding the lines. You want to be able to remember them and use them actively in speaking, right? And that's basically it. This is the fastest way to go from zero to conversational in any language. Write all the sentences you want to learn and start drilling them. Lots of repetition. Read, listen again and again and again. And once you understand them, also start repeating them aloud. Right? And it's as simple as that. If you start doing this now with your 500 to 1,000 sentences, in a few weeks, you should be able to, it doesn't matter the language, right? Any language. Of course, the easier the language is, like the Spanish or French will be much easier than, I don't know, Arabic. But if you do this over and over again, like the whole list 30 times, 40 times, 50 times, that's not that much, by the way. That's 40 times is 35 hours, maybe less than 40 hours. You can do that in a month, right? And you can learn to speak a language conversationally, any language, by doing this enough times. So this is it. Use this code, create your lines, create audio files, and start reading, listening, and repeating them aloud over and over again. Oh, and uh, once you understand them easily and you can remember them relatively easily as well. You should start trying to use these sentences on your own. Just try to speak as much as you can without looking. It'll be difficult, but you try it 5 times today, like a minute each, and tomorrow you try it 10 times, a minute each, but you also keep reviewing the lines. And it'll get easier and easier to use more and more of these lines when you're speaking, so that then you're covering the gap there, the gap between learning lines from a text and an actual speech, right? Also, for people who hate spreadsheets for some reason, I get a lot of people who are like, "Wow, who learns with spreadsheets?" I do, and a lot of people who study with me do learn with spreadsheets. If you're afraid of spreadsheets, I don't know. But if you really don't like spreadsheets, you could copy this, download it as a PDF or an EPUB. I do that a lot as well. Just put it on my Kindle and just read it there over and over again. Um, you could turn it into flashcards as well. You download it as CSV files and then put it into Anki. You could do that. I don't do it because I don't like flashcards, but you could do it. Yeah, you could turn this into flashcards. You could turn this into basically a PDF or an ebook to review as well, right? So it doesn't have to be a spreadsheet. You could turn the spreadsheet into pretty much any type of material you want, flashcard or text, and definitely audio. That you should do.